Countable noun are those nouns that you can count. Example: girl, boy, leaf, chocolate, coins, marble, etc. Those are nouns that you can count. We can count a flower like one flower, two flower. So it is a countable noun. Uncountable noun are those nouns that you cannot count. Example: water, milk, oil, honey, salt, tea, sugar, etc. Those are nouns that you cannot count. We can look at a water bottle, but how much water is in the water? We cannot count the water like 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. So it is the uncountable noun. I love my teacher and parents, but no one can count it. So it is uncountable. Thank you.
My school name is Urdu. Urdu school number 60. ABNCNC Urdu school number 68. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is construction marks. Construction marks help us understanding the meaning of sentence and write correctly. Full stop, semicolon, comma, quotation mark, question mark, exclamation mark. Full stop. We use it at the end of a sentence or an animation. Example: Irfan is playing cricket. Exclamation mark. We use it at the end of a sentence that shows strong feeling or after an interjection. Example: what a tasty fish it is. Question mark. We use it at the end of a question. Example: is Maya at home? Comma. We use it to relate to ideas similar words. Example: there is a notebook, a pencil, an eraser, and a pen on your table. Semicolon. We use it to firstly take an independent clause. Example: we had so many humbles, we lost the game. Quotation mark. We use it to indicate the beginning and the end of a quotation. If the text is directly given. Example: she said, I read the chapter the date free yesterday. Thank you.
My school name is BMCM school number 60. My project name is adjective to describe. Adjective to describe noun. They tell us more about person, place, animal, or they tell us more about the special qualities of a noun. Kind they also tell us about color, shape, and size of a noun they describe. Adjective noun. Red is an apple, hot is a meal, but red is an adjective, apple is a noun. Type of adjective: adjective of tune, entity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, adjective of quality, adjective number. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम शेख रेहान चंद पाशा है। मैं आपके सामने रियादी का एक प्रोजेक्ट पेश करना चाहता हूँ जिसका अनुमान है मुश्तरक आधे आज़ा मीम ऐन अलिफ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर HCF। हम इसमें सब मुश्तरक आधे आज़म निकालने का सबसे आसान तरीका करेंगे। आप इसमें से कोई नंबर लीजिए। हम इसमें से कौन सा 6 और 10 लेते हैं। 6 और 10 हमारे बटन लेंगे 10। हमने हरे बटन लिए 10 और ये पर्पल बटन लेंगे 6। अब इन दोनों में से छोटा आदाद है 6, तो हम छोटे आदाद जितने छोटे आदाद है ना उतने बड़े आदाद से निकालेंगे, क्योंकि बड़े आदाद जितने उतने छोटे आदाद से तो नहीं निकाल सकते, इसलिए हम छोटे आदाद निकालेंगे बड़े आदाद में से। 2 4 6 हमने इसमें से 6 निकाले। अब छोटा आदाद हो गया, अब छोटा आदाद है 4, बड़ा आदाद है 6, तो हम अब बड़े आदाद में से 4 निकालेंगे, क्योंकि छोटे आदाद में है 4। 1 2 3 4। अब छोटा आदाद हो गया 2, बड़ा आदाद है 4, तो हम बड़े आदाद में से छोटा आदाद 2 निकालेंगे। 1 2 मुश्तरक आधे आज़म का जवाब आया 2। ये मुश्तरक आधे आज़म निकालने का सबसे आसान तरीका। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वेरी गुड।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sheikh Alishifa Salim Sheikh. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is helping verb. Is, am, are, do, does, did. For the example, he is playing. I am singing. We are dancing. We are running. Like this. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a book. I am happy. I am sad. I We are going to school. We are going to market. This is the auxiliary verb. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ansari Mariam. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is words formation. Stable, table, able. Stone, tone, word. Small, small, tall. Cheat, heat, heat. Scar, car, art. Strine, trine, rhyme. Dead, head, hat. Blink, blink, ink. Rise, rise, eyes. Chair, hair, hair. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. मेरा नाम नेहा है। मैं आपके सामने अपना प्रोजेक्ट पेश करना चाहती हूँ और मेरा नाम ज़ाब्ता। जैसे कि मुरक्कब का रकबा, इसका ज़ाब्ता है जिले की क़ुव्वत 2 और मुरब्बे का हयाता, इसका ज़ाब्ता है 4 ज़रब जिले। अगर हम लोग इस पर रखेंगे तो लाइट नहीं जलेगी क्योंकि इसका यही ज़ाब्ता है, इस पर ही लाइट जलेगी। क़ाइमतुज़ ज़ाविया मुसल्लस का रकबा, इसका ज़ाब्ता है ये। हम लोग अगर इस पर रखेंगे तो लाइट नहीं जलेगी। ये बच्चों को ज़ाब्ता आसानी से याद होने के लिए इस चीज़ को बनाई गई है।
My name is Sheikh Arshia Mohammad Rafiq. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is continuous tense. Today we will learn present continuous tense. We make different charts of tenses like this also. I am playing, I am watching, I am reading, I am drinking, I am thinking, I am working. She is working, she is thinking, she is drinking, she is reading, she is watching, she is playing. We are playing, we are watching, we are reading, we are drinking, we are thinking, we are working. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Sheikh Sultan. School name is CNCNC. School number school 16. My subject is grammar. My English grammar. My project opposite word. A word that expresses a meaning opposite to the meaning of another word, in which case word antonyms of each other. Opposite words. In, out. In, out is opposite word. Man, woman. Man, woman is opposite word. Up, down. Up, down is opposite word. Girl, boy. Girl, boy is opposite word. Happy, sad. Happy, sad is opposite word. Pretty, ugly. Pretty, ugly is opposite word. Fat, thin. Fat, thin is opposite word. White elephant, black elephant. White elephant, black elephant is opposite word. Stand up, sit down. Stand up and sit down is opposite word. Left, right. Left, right is opposite word. Laughing, crying. Laughing, crying is opposite word. Come here, go there. Come here, go there is opposite word. Big, small. Big, small is opposite word. Hot, cold. Hot, cold is opposite word. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Sheikh Munir. My school name BNCCLC School number 8. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is preposition. Preposition are words which telling us about the relation of one thing to another. That tell us where a person or thing is or where something happens. Sample. In, on, under, near, in front of, behind. The mouse, the hat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rasma Qasim. My school name is BNCMC School number 8. My project name is homophone. What is a homophone? A homophone is a that is pronounced the same as another and but differs in meaning and may differs in spelling. The words may be spelled the same. Examples: blue, blue is a homophone word. Hair, hair is a homophone word. Hair, here is a homophone word. One, one is a homophone word. Break, break is a homophone word. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, my name is Ansuruj Mazgari, my subject name, my school name is BNCMC school number 68, my subject name is English grammar, my project name is types of adverb. It is a word that adds something meaning of verb and adjective or are adverb. Adverb of manner tells us in what manner action is done. The child jumped carefully. Example: how, quickly, slowly, happily. Adverb of time. It tells us when action is done. We shall play the much today. Example: when, after, early, before, now. Adverb of place. It tells where, what, where or what place and action is done. I shall wait for you outside. Example: where, here, there, near. Adverb of degree. It answers the question how much or in what degree or what extent. I know the group completely. Example: how much or in what degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Adverb of frequency. It tells us how or how often frequency and action is done. We should take bath every day. Example: how often, sometimes, always, never, time. Adverb of interrogation. This kind of adverb is to ask a question: how are you? How are you today? Example: how, why, when. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sheikh Muhammad Muhammad. My school name is my school
BNCMC
school number 68. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is degree of comparison. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. Third, superlative degree. First, this form is used when we simply describe something or someone. Second, this form is used when we compare two things. This form is used when we compare more than two things. Example: good, good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, precious, more precious, most precious. Thank you.
My school name is BNCMC, school number 68. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is singular and plurals. Singular and plurals. Singular. Nouns that stand for a single person, place, animals, or thing are said to be singular in number. Plural. Nouns that stand for more than one person, place, animals, or thing are said to be plural in number. Fish, singular. Fishes, plural. Apple, apples. Ball, balls. Head, heads. Parrot, parrots. Pencil, pencils. Tomato, tomatoes. Sunflower, sunflowers. Triangle, triangles. Girl, girls. Umbrella, umbrellas. Flower, flowers. Thank you.
तबियत खराब हो गई, कमर का भी स्लिप हो गई। जोर से कैमरे में आवाज नहीं आएगी, जोर से।
Good morning everyone. My subject is English grammar. My project name is question type. I show you how to make question type sentence. First, repeat full sentence again. Second, put comma at of the sentence. Third, write helping verb followed by not if not already is present. Write helping verb followed by not is already. Write helping verb. Fourth, write subject. Fifth, put question mark after the subject.
My project name is English grammar. Action word. He is laughing. Laughing is action word. Raju is reading, reading means action. Children are jumping, jumping means action. A young girl is hugging her father, hugging means action. He is sitting on the chair, sitting means action. The baby is sleeping, sleeping means action. He is drinking, drinking means action. Hina is running, running means action.
Good morning everyone, my name is Azizan. My subject is noun. The part is either used to identify a person, place, thing or exam. Types of noun: broken noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, correct noun. Broken noun: it is a name for unique indicator of a place. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the broken noun. Common noun: it represents honor of the member of a class. Example: tree, give us fruit. Tree is the common noun. Collective noun: a noun they refer to a group of individuals. Objection: flock of sheep. Flock is the collective noun. Material: it show material. Example: the chair is made of wood. Wood is the material noun. Abstract noun: the thing that cannot be touched or seen but we feel it. Example: beauty, fair is the abstract noun. Countable noun: those noun which are count. Example: both flower, cookies. Uncountable noun: those noun which are not count. Example: water, salt, air is the uncountable noun. Thank you. Thank you.
सामने एक रियाजी का प्रोजेक्ट पेश करना चाहता हूँ। उसका अनुमान है मुख्तलिफ इजाफे LCM मिन दलाली। मेरे दो दर्ज करेंगे। 2 का 2, 4, 3 के 6, 5 के 8, 5 के 10, 5 के 12, 5 के 14, 5 के 16, 18, 19, 3 का दर्ज करेंगे। इसमें से मुश्तरक आदाद कौन सा है? 18 है, 12 और 6 है। इसमें से मुश्तरक दो दाफे सबसे छोटा आदाद कौन सा है? My name is Sheikh Mehran. My school name is BNC. English school number 68. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is kinds of sentence. A group of words that make a complete sentence is whole sentence. 4 sentence 1, 2, 3, 4. First sentence assertive sentence bayaniya jumla. It say our listed our declare a fact. Example: the sun rises. In the second sentence imperative sentence hukmiya jumla. It express request, advice, command. Example: please give me a glass of water. Third sentence exclamatory sentence fajaiya jumla. It express shouldn't strong feeling. Example: how beautiful the rain is. Fourth sentence interrogative sentence sawaliya jumla. It asks a question. Example: what is your hobby? Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Sheikh Mehran. My school name is BNCMC school number 68. My subject name is English grammar. My project name is gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender words we show if a person or animal is male are said that to be of the masculine gender. Example: boy, man, father, son, king. Feminine gender words we show if a person or animal is female are said that to be of the feminine gender. Example: girl, woman, mother, daughter, princess. Neuter gender noun which refer inanimate objects belong to neuter gender. There are so many examples like boy, girl, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, buck. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sheikh Sabir Mohsin. My subject is English grammar. My project is conjunction. Words which join word groups of words are sentences for called conjunction. Example: but, and, because, or, yet, not, although, since, unless, when, etc. Look. The dog looks funny because it is a very red. Because a conjunction word. The house is small but comfortable, but a conjunction word. You can buy a pen or a pencil with this money, or is a conjunction word. The cat and the mouse are friends and the conjunction word.
Thank you.
क्वेश्चन एलिफेंट है, ये ग्राफ है, पेपर की मदद से ये सब बना सकते हैं।
हमने ऐसा हमारे हाथों से डिज़ाइन
वालेकुम सलाम।
प्लास्टिक की मदद से
कैसे बनाए? प्लास्टिक की मदद से कैसे बनाए? अच्छा, तो अगर कोई अच्छे क्वालिटी का प्लास्टिक ला के दिया जाए तो बनाएंगे?
The lion and the mouse. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A mouse started playing on him. The lion got up and when he caught the mouse and was ready to kill it. The mouse begged the lion to leave it and this that someday would have the lion angrily leave it go. One day the lion was caught in an accident by hunters. He rode loudly as the tree had to escape. The mouse had the lion and found it shoot up the net with its shaped tree. Little friends, my to get friends. Thank you.
ये मेहंदी का प्रोसेस है, आप देख सकते
अगर हाथ दिया तो हाथ पे बना सकोगे?
हैं। हाँ सर।
अच्छी बात, बोलो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। मेरा नाम नमीरा निज़ामी नामदार है। ये मिट्टी के ज़रिए से बनाए फल फ्रूट की बास्केट।
तो ये सादी मिट्टी से बनाए कि अपने पैसे रेडीमेड मिट्टी?
रेडीमेड मिट्टी।
तो इसको और अच्छे से बना सकते हैं मिट्टी ला के दी जाए तो?
सर।
हाँ, चलो।
When articles are used to modify the person, place, animal, things are used for constant. A bird, a butterfly, a boat, a ball, and used for vowels. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an oval. The refer to species or particular nouns. The earth, the sun, the star.
खड़े रह के बोलने का और ज़ोर से बोलने का। हाँ, और इसको ऐसे पकड़, समझे? हाँ, तुम्हारा ये पूरी दुनिया देखेगी। हाँ, समझे? पहले सलाम कर रख, नीचे खड़े रखे। फिर से बोलो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय नेम इज पठान साइमा। माय प्रोजेक्ट नेम इज ज़ाविया कायमा। ये होता है 90 दर्जे। ज़ाविया मुकम्मला ये होता है, ये भी होता है 90 दर्जे। इसमें 2 ज़ावियों की पैमाइश होती है। ज़ाविया मुतम्मिम ये होता है 180 दर्जा। ज़ाविया हादा ये होता है, ये 90 से कम होता है। कायमा ज़ाविया से छोटा होता है। ज़ाविया